In today's lecture, we will discuss how to implement AND gate, NAND gate, NOT gate and OR gate with the help of NOR gates. In the topic on logic gates, we have already discussed that the NAND gates and the NOR gates are called universal gates because we can construct any logic gate by using either only NAND gates or only NOR gates. In this lecture, we will discuss how to construct AND gate, NAND gate, NOT gate and OR gate by using only NOR gates. First, let us consider how we can construct an AND gate by using NOR gates. For this, we have taken 3 NOR gates as seen in this figure. This is the first NOR gate, this is the second NOR gate and this is the third NOR gate. We have given the input A to both the inputs of the first NOR gate. Similarly, we have given the input B to both the inputs of the second NOR gate. So the output of the first NOR gate will come out to be the complement of A, and similarly the output of the second NOR gate will be equal to the complement of B. Now both these outputs are given to a third NOR gate. So the output of this third NOR gate will come out to be the complement of A plus the complement of B complement, because NOR gate adds the input and gives the complement of that. So the output here will be A complement plus B complement complement. Now since there is a complement term over both the variables, so to simplify this we will use De Morgan's theorem. So using De Morgan's theorem, we find that this can be simplified to A complement complement multiplied by B complement complement, and double complement means the variable itself. So A double complement will be equal to A, B double complement will be equal to B. So the output of this gate comes out to be A dot B, and we know from the formula of the AND gate that the output of the AND gate is the product of the inputs. So these 3 NOR gates together makes one AND gate. So if we want to construct an AND gate with the help of NOR gates, then we will need a minimum of 3 NOR gates. Now let us consider how we can construct an AND gate by using NOR gates. For this we have used 4 NOR gates. From here we find that the output of this NOR gate will be A complement, the output of this NOR gate will be B complement. Now we give both these outputs to the input of third NOR gate, so the output of the third NOR gate will be A complement plus B complement complement, and by De Morgan's theorem this comes out to be A dot B. Now this is given to a fourth NOR gate, so the output of this fourth NOR gate will be equal to A dot B complement. And from the logic formula of NAND gate we find that this output is the logic formula of the NAND gate. So we need a minimum of 4 NOR gates to make one NAND gate. That is, a NAND gate can be constructed by using 4 NOR gates. So the next gate which we are constructing by using NOR gate is the OR gate. If we want to construct an OR gate with the help of NOR gates, then we will need a minimum of 2 NOR gates, and we will connect it in this way. So the first NOR gate will give the output as A plus B complement, and when this output is given to a second NOR to both the inputs of the second NOR gate, then the output of this NOR gate will be equal to the double complement of A plus B, which comes out to be A plus B. And from this output we find that this is the sum of the inputs, so this represents an OR gate. So in order to construct an OR gate, or in order to implement an OR gate, we need a minimum of 2 NOR gates. Now the next type of gate which we want to construct using NOR gate is the NOT gate. In order to construct a NOT gate by using NOR gates, we will take one NOR gate and we will give an input to both the inputs of this NOR gate. So the output will be equal to A plus A complement, and A plus A is equal to A. So this will come out to be A complement, and we know that this is the output of NOT gate, or NOT gate is also called inverter. So in order to construct one NOT gate, we need one NOR gates. Similarly, in order to construct a OR gate, we need two NOR gates, and a NAND gate requires a minimum of 4 NOR gates. Similarly, AND gate requires a minimum of 3 NAND gates. This is how we can implement any logic gate by using only NOR gates. So this is all about how we can implement the logic gates by using NOR gates.